Hello everyone. If you've always wanted to use tea tree oil for acne, but if you weren't sure about the correct way to proceed, then you are on the right path. Here in this video, I will tell you how to use tea tree oil for acne. But before going ahead, I would like all of you to subscribe to my channel right now. Just hit the subscribe button and you are good to go. So, tea tree oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties that make it an excellent remedy for treating skin conditions like acne, backaches, dandruffs, etc. Now, if you want to remove acne from your skin, then there are few methods which I'm going to tell you which you could use in order to get rid of every type of acne, whether it's the new acne or the tough acne or the chronic acne. I'm sure if you'll be using any of these 7 methods, the DIY methods to use tea tree oil, I'm sure you're going to get benefit from it. Method number 1, use plain tea tree oil. Now in order to use this method, what you require is you just put a few drops of pure tea tree essential oil on a clean cotton ball and dab it on the acne only. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight for the best results and then wash. Method 2 is to use tea tree oil in the diluted form. For this, what you are going to do is add 3 to 5 drops of pure tea tree essential oil in 1 tablespoon of distilled water. Dab a cotton ball into it and apply it on the acne affected skin. Leave it for half an hour and then wash. Now both these methods, please make sure that you are only applying these diluted or plain tea tree oil on the acne only. Do not apply it all over your face. Just apply it wherever you are having the pimples or the acne. You can also make a face mask from this tea tree oil. For that, you have to add 3-4 drops of tea tree oil in 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel, and then you have to apply it all over your face. Leave it for 15 minutes and then wash with warm water. For making another clay face mask, take a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of natural clay powder and 1 teaspoon of organic honey and add 3 to 5 drops of pure tea tree essential oil in it. Mix it well and apply it all over your face. Leave it for at least 20 minutes and then wash it. You can also make a toner from tea tree oil. For that, add 1/4 cup of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar to the spray bottle filled with 1/4 cup of water. Then add 3 to 5 drops of pure tea tree essential oil in it. Shake the bottle to mix everything and then spray it on the acne affected skin to reduce the oiliness and tightening your pores after washing your face. Making a face scrub, put 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar in a bowl and pour in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and then add 3 to 4 drops of pure tea tree essential oil in it. Rub it all over your face and then rinse with water. For making a night lotion from tea tree oil, you have to take out a dollop of calamine lotion in a bowl and add 3-4 drops of pure tea tree essential oil in it. Mix it and then apply it all over your face like this and then sleep. All these start showing you the results in 3 to 4 weeks if you use it religiously. So do all the above or any of the above on daily basis to get a quick result. But not the least, one precaution to take care is tea tree oil is a very strong ingredient. Always do a patch test before proceeding with the full scale application. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.